Hello, in today's video I'm gonna show you better way of installing better hinges on a gate. I have this gate that I've adjusted a couple of times within the last couple of years, and then it keeps dropping to one side. I've had originally this much space. As you can see, I can put my hand right here, and of course, you know, I'm in Florida, so the wood gets warped, and right now it's almost touching. So I'm basically done with those type of hinges. They're not adjustable. So I purchased the hinges on Amazon. They're adjustable, so they look like this, and those are my neighbors' hinges, so you can see how they work. Basically this is something similar to this, and I'm going to install it on my gate. So I'm going to go and have this replace my hinges so I can adjust the drop on the hinges when there's gonna be a time to adjust it. So this should be a little bit easier than what I have now, and they are, as you can see, you have two holes right here and two holes right here. So I'm gonna use the hardware that came with it. So all you have to do is just mount it like this, okay, and then adjust the length right here, and then we'll see how it's going to fit and work. Alrighty, and here's the final product. So there is a small gap right here because you have two screws heads almost touching, so I could move it just a little bit, probably more. You have two screws over here, two on the inside, two on the inside, and two on the outside, and same thing over here. I may probably later put extra screws right here into smaller holes just to give it a little bit more support, but I've adjusted it, and right now I have a beautiful big gap over here, and I can easily open it all the way. Now all you can do also is just make it work with the spring, so it automatically closes after you. So the project was super easy. It took me about 10 minutes, and actually I like it a little bit better now because it swings more on the outside. Before, when I had those flat hinges, it was going almost flat. Right now it swings to the outside. I can actually move them in and out, and actually this part I want to move out to get more space on the top. So I'm moving this out, and this will make this gap a little bit smaller and this one a little bit bigger. So this is how you can adjust those hinges, and they work really so much better than all the other hinges that I've had. Another thing to remember is that here you have a tool. You put it into the opening, and then you can adjust how tight and how much strength you want from the gate to close by itself. So you put it right here, and then you can rotate it, and you can basically adjust the tension by putting the pin wherever you want. So now if I open the gate, it's going to close by itself. So those hinges are really good product. I bought them on Amazon. You can buy them also in different configurations at Home Depot. I'll give you the link to the product on the description of my video. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.